Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make egg-veg sandwich updated. Toast 2 slices of bread lightly and set them aside. Whisk 1 egg with salt and pepper and cook it as an omelet or scramble. Layer sliced tomato, cucumber, and lettuce on one toast, add the cooked egg, and top with the other slice. Serve warm with a side of chutney or ketchup for a quick, tasty meal. Gather simple ingredients so assembling is quick and stress-free. Slice tomato and cucumber thinly to keep textures balanced. Whisk the egg gently and season it plainly so the vegetables shine. Heat a pan with 1 tsp oil and cook the egg just until set for soft bite. Toast the bread to golden and assemble immediately so heat melds the flavors without wilting the lettuce. Hey friends, if you enjoy this content, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for hands-free timers, recipe prompts, and a bit of kitchen dance music while you cook. I love using one to set a 3-minute egg timer and cue upbeat songs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by toasting the bread for a pleasant crunch against the soft egg. Cook the egg in a hot pan so it sets quickly and retains moisture. Spread butter or sauce on one slice, then layer lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and the cooked egg for even bites. Press gently and cut in half for easy eating. Enjoy immediately so the textures remain distinct and the sandwich tastes freshly made.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.